Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you want to strengthen your core, flatten your tummy, and build serious stability without any crunches that hurt your neck, you are in the right place. Today, we are doing a 10-minute plank workout specifically designed for women. We will hold, we will move, and we will feel the burn, but we'll do it together. This is a low-impact workout, so it's gentle on the joints but tough on the muscles. No equipment needed, just you and your mat. Ready to fire up that core? Let's get started. Before we drop into our first plank, let's warm up our spine and wake up our abs. Follow along with me. Cat-cow stretch. Inhale, drop the belly, lift the heart and gaze. Exhale, round the spine up to the ceiling, tucking the chin to the chest. 5 more breaths here, moving with me. Child's pose. Beautiful. Push your hips back to your heels. Stretch your arms forward and take a deep breath in this child's pose. Let's release any tension in the lower back. Classic plank hold. All right, hands directly under shoulders. Step back to the top of a push-up position. Let's find our plank. Key tip. Engage your quads, squeeze your glutes, and pull your belly button toward your spine. Imagine you are holding a plank. Don't let your hips sag or pike up. We are building a strong, flat line from head to heels. 20 seconds in. You've got this. 10 seconds. Feel the burn, but keep that form tight. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Drop the knees or shake it out. Forearm, plank hold. Come down onto your forearms. Make sure your elbows are stacked directly under your shoulders. Hands can be flat or clasped. Again, press through your forearms, engage the core, and hold that straight line. Squeeze the glutes. This variation targets the deep transverse abdominis. 20 seconds to go. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. 10, 9, 8, great job. Rest in child's pose or downward dog for a moment. Plank hip dips. Back up to a high plank. Now we are going to add some rotation for the obliques. From your plank, slowly rotate your hips to the right, dipping down toward the floor, then back to center. Then rotate to the left. Keep your upper body as still as possible. The movement comes from the waist. Let's go side to side with control. Dip right, center, dip left. 15 seconds left. Burn those love handles. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Plank shoulder. Taps stay in that high plank, but widen your stance just a little for extra stability. Now, lift your right hand and tap your left shoulder. Place it back down. Then left hand taps the right shoulder. This challenges your stability and works your arms and shoulders too. Go slow and controlled. Don't let your hips sway. Tap it out with me. Last 10 seconds. Great work. Lower the knees to rest. Great job, ladies. You just completed a solid core work. Let's cool down. If you felt the burn, hit that like button and subscribe for more workouts. See you in the next video.